welcome you all in the serene and sound premises of Rosebud. We are standing in front of you all to present the school report for academic session 2019 and 20. It's a great moment of pride and honor for me and my friends that we have received this opportunity to bring in front of you the achievements of Rosebud family and its members in the form of school report. Before I proceed with the report, I would like to remember our beloved founder, director Dr. Pramod Deshmukh sir on his birth anniversary. Today it's his birth anniversary. It is all because of him that we are here and birds like us are blooming to become the best citizens of our country. So I start with the school report, giving you the view of our school's infrastructure. In our campus we have a tall building which comprises of around 34 classrooms, each having the capacity to accommodate the strength of 40 to 50 students comfortably. All the classrooms are designed and developed in such a manner that they provide sense of security to the students. Each and every aspect is designed by keeping the educational atmosphere in mind. Along with the classroom, we have a library which consists of up-to-date books and full-fledged computer labs. All these facilities are utilized by the students and the teachers for their academic and individual development. We here in Rosebud have the availability of all the equipment that are required to perform a scientific experiments. Students perform scientific activities and experiments under the guidance of their respective science teachers. Apart from the infrastructure, I would like to draw your attention towards the facilities that we have in our very own campus. We have CCTV surveillance for each and every classroom, which indeed helps the student feel the security and develop a sense of discipline amongst them. We here in Rosebud also provide safe and secure transportation facility, which includes in all 5 vehicles, that are 4 buses and 1 van. All the drivers and vehicles are kept up to date according to current and updated rules and regulations of RTO department. This was all regarding the infrastructure and facilities. Now I would like to draw your attention towards the academic. It's the legacy of Rosebud that academics are never looked under the eye. It is always considered to be pivotal and important. To give you a clear idea regarding the academics, I will request my friend Prajakta to take the charge and proceed.
Thank you, Tasviya. I am standing in front of you all to present the school report regarding the academic session of 2019 and 20. As per the planning and schedule, we start with the academic commotion on 17th of June 2019, that is Monday. All the facilities, including the smart class facilities, were updated and made it up to date for the students of pre-primary to standard 10. Here in Rosebud, thorough understanding of any concept is given prime importance. Each and every child is special for each and every member of Rosebud family. Like every year, this year also till the date, we have completed our FA first and first term examinations. Result of respective examinations were also held in the form of parents-teachers meet and titled as Open House for all parents. Along with the studies, we also work on the development of competitive spirit of children. For the same purpose, we have arranged different academic competitions for the students with respect to their classes. These competitions, including the essay writing, extempo, kangaroo word, passage reading, speech, puzzle solving, and many more. Such competitions thus help to develop their vocabulary, thinking skills, and creativity. All the students actively participated in such competitions and performed exceptionally well. Many of our students also participated in various other reputed examinations like IEO, IMO, NSO, NSSC, MTSC, NTSC, Homi Baba, government scholarship examination, and many more. Students who not only participated but also emerged as achievers in such competitive exam, which justify the knowledge is not confined to classroom. This result is the approach that each and every Rosebud family appeals for the development of students. So with great privilege, I would like to announce the result of 10th standard in SSC examination for last academic session, that is 2018 and 19. Altogether, 71 students appeared for the examination. Students who claimed first 3 positions in increasing order are Miss Prerna Thokal, Miss Akansha Bahekar, Miss Mansi Shinde. They secured 93%, 91.80% and 90.40% respectively. More than 17 students crossed 80 percentage of marks. A commendable result was also seen in the subjects like mathematics, science, social studies, in which some of our students also managed to gain 100%. These results indeed explain the effort put in by the teachers and students to reach at this position. conclude, I would like to assure each and every individual present here that Rosebud continue to deliver exceptional results with indomitable effort with assurity. I would rest my words and thank to all of you for your kind patience that you present during my report. In order to throw more light on events and activity, I would request to my dear friend Seha to give all the remaining details.
Thank you. Thank you, Prajakta, for telling us regarding the academics of Rosebud. In Rosebud, we not only focus on the academics, but also give an emphasis on the other co-curricular activities. These activities nurture the sense of team spirit, cultural value, discipline ethics, and brotherhood among the minds of children. I take this privilege to present the plethora of celebrations that we celebrated in our school. The caravan of celebration started with 16 School Foundation on 20 June 2019. Right after the celebration of School Foundation Day, we celebrated International Yoga Day on 21st June 2019, which also helped each and every individual to understand the importance of physical fitness. After this celebration, an event of tree plantation was arranged on the occasions of Doctor's Day, which was every year on 1st July. This plantation drive was arranged in the school campus under the guidance of respected Director Dr. Aparna Deshmukh ma'am. This event was enjoyed a lot by all the students and teachers. Moving ahead in the list, we celebrated Green Day in the same month. On the account of Green Day, a seedball making activity was arranged for all of us. Teacher using their previous knowledge of seedball making instructed students how to make and how to conserve or use them. Gurus are epitome of knowledge. This statement is true. So, in order to praise the works of Guru and to laud their hard work, students of Standard 10 organize an event to celebrate Guru Purnima. Sense of security and sense of independence is what we have received many sacrificed their life for their mother India. Hence, in order to commemorate the sacrifice made by great freedom fighter and cherish the moment of independence, we celebrated 73rd Independence Day on this 15th August. Celebration of such National Day really makes all of us very proud and develop a sense of responsibility towards the nation. In the same month, a Rakhi making activity was also arranged for all of us. In this activity, we came to know various hidden creative talent among the students. Along with this, I would like to inform you all that Rosebud always believes in contributing its bit in the development of society and stabilizing the environment. With the same perspective in mind, a drive against the plastic bag was organized. In this drive, the students were taught to make the paper bag using the old newspaper. This activity saw the involvement of students from 1st to 10th grade. Till now, I have given you all the highlight of many events and activities. Now, I would like to request my dear friend Piyush to please give a detailed explanation.
Thank you very much, Seha. I take the opportunity of leading group of celebrations and take you all in the fascinating world of celebrations and activities. After having a glimpse of celebrations, I would like to inform you that we have celebrated Ganesh Utsav with full of zest and zeal. Following Ganpati celebration, there was Teachers' Day celebration. In this Teachers' Day celebration, some students themselves have taken the responsibility of enacting as teachers and teach students on that day. All the students and teachers enjoyed to their heart's content. Many different games were also arranged for their enjoyment. Along with such celebrations, various celebrations like Hindi Divas, Marathi Din, Balika Din are also celebrated in Rosebuds. Amongst these, a tree plantation event was organized on 28th of August 2019 on account of Remembrance Day of beloved founder, Director Dr. Pramod Deshmukh sir. This was organized in order to complement his thinkings, which is also our school motto that we owe something to the society. With this event, we students of Rosebuds tried to contribute bit towards the society. This tree plantation event was done on Golwadi Hills of South City of Vaduz Mahanagar. After such celebrations, I would like to drag your attention towards the 150th birth anniversary of Father of our nation, Mahatma Gandhi. On account of his birth anniversary, a class-wise cleanliness drive was organized. All the students and teachers have taken the active participation in class-wise cleanliness drive. We after these celebrations also witness various celebrations like Diwali, Navaratri and many more. Such celebrations keep our cultural values always relevant and alive in our memory and thoughts. These were the celebrations that were performed and enjoyed by our students. Hereafter, I would like to tell you the fun-filled activities that were performed and enjoyed by teachers. Every year, our Trust Foundation Day is celebrated on 25th September. This is the celebration that involves the participation of teaching and non-teaching staff of Rosebuds. It is the celebration that goes around the span of 15 days. In this duration, many events like carrom, chess, badminton, quiz, debate are organized by respected director Dr. Aparna Deshmukh ma'am and school secretary Mr. Yashraj Deshmukh sir. The celebration of Trust Foundation Day is practiced right from the first year of our school. The celebration of this important day was started by beloved founder Director Dr. Pramod Deshmukh sir. These celebrations are organized for teachers to relax from their work schedule and enjoy and go back to their childhood days. It indeed helps the faculty members to relax and improve. All the winners of these competitions are felicitated in front of all students. It is not only the sports, but the teacher-oriented programs are also conducted in our school campus. This year, a program was conducted by SEBI, that is Security and Exchange Board of India representative. In this event, teachers are informed about the diversified ways of investment they should make to make their future secure. With all the details, I would like to rest my report and request my dear friend Yogesh to please continue.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Piyush. Now leading the troop of the school event, I want you all to know about the school event that we have arranged and also the school event that we are going to arrange. Every year, Rosebud organizes a tennis ball cricket tournament. This year, the same legacy was brought into practice. This event is organized every year on the account of birth anniversary of our beloved founder chairman, Dr. Pramod Deshmukh sir. This year, the event was witnessed by the participation of around 15 teams. The team members and the team enjoyed the sport. The winner team was Gangotri School. Every year, a donation drive is also organized on the occasion of Sir's birthday. The whole Rosebuds family contributes their bit in this donation drive. Listing all this event is important because it is the motto of Rosebuds and also the ethic that we have taught by our founder Dr. Pramod Deshmukh sir, that we owe something to the society. Along with all this event, we still have many upcoming events yet to be arranged, organized and performed in the next part of academic session. In the upcoming session, we will be having the events like educational trips, fun trips, sports week, canteen day, fancy dress competition, second unit test and second term examination. The list does not end here. We will be also having the 26th January science exhibition and many more celebrations. Here in the Rosebuds, we give the equal emphasis to the sport as we give to the academics. The birds of the Rosebuds are spreading their glory and achievements in the form of their achievements at different levels. The healthy mind resides in a healthy body. This is what our director Dr. Pramod Deshmukh sir believed. He was not just a great teacher but also a great sportsman. Because of his preaching and the guidance given by our director Dr. Aparna Deshmukh ma'am, we, the students of the Rosebuds, are scattering the stars of glory and achievements. To throw more light on the attainments made by the Rosebuds and give certain prizes, I would like to call upon the stage our school secretary Mr. Yashraj Deshmukh sir. Sir, please come on the stage and lead the event and make us of light.
Hope you all are enjoying the program. Today I have taken the opportunity to announce the achievements of sports because I really feel proud that our school has spread its arms in sports all over the place. Let's begin. This year our school has participated in many DSO games. In Kho-Kho Taluka level, which was held in our school, under 17 girls got the second prize and the under 14 boys got the first prize. In Taluka level Kabaddi, held in Gangapur, under 14 boys were the winners of the tournament. In the rope skipping district level, which was also held in our school, 30 students had participated in the tournament, in which they got 40 gold medals, 30 silver medals and 15 bronze medals. Please give all these children a big round of applause. Also in the rope skipping allocation Maharashtra, which was state level in Mumbai, 15 students had participated. Our students were the runner-up in this state level championship. Every year government holds a scholarship exam for the students of 5th and 8th. And last year, our student Priyanka Dange, who was in 8th standard, is the only student who has qualified for this scholarship. I request you to come on the stage. Give her a big round of applause. आपल्या सगळ्यांना माहितीच असेल, क्रिकेट हा खेळ आपल्या लाडक्या सरांचा खूप आवडता होता. तर आपण दरवर्षी त्यांच्या वाढदिवसानिमित्त क्रिकेट टुर्नामेंट ऑर्गनाईज करत असतो. यावेळेस 10 पेक्षा जास्त टीम्सनी पार्टिसिपेट केले या टुर्नामेंटमध्ये. द रनर अप ऑफ दिस टुर्नामेंट इज शिवशंकर पाटील विद्यालय. I would like to call the captain on the stage, please. Of this tournament was Gangotri Vidyalaya. I would like to call the captain on the stage. The best batsman award of this tournament goes to Ramesh Shirale, Shivshankar Patil Vidyalaya.
Please appreciate, please give a big round of applause. I cannot hear the claps at all.
And the best bowler award goes to Vikas Kewat, Gangotri Vidyalaya. I would also like to thank the umpires of the tournament, Mr. Ambore sir and Mr. Sanket sir, who were really impartial. I thank Mr. Vinod Maske for sponsoring the cricket tournament and Mr. Dattatreya Vatsavre for taking out his valuable time and attending the matches. Now finally, in Indian Rope Skipping Federation, which was national level, held in Bhopal, 14 students of our school had participated and they have won 19 gold medals, 5 silver medals and 7 bronze medals. Please give them a big round of applause. They are national level winners.
It is sponsored by our director ma'am. So I would request once again all of you to please give all the students a huge round of applause. It's a real moment of pride and honor for each and every member of Rosebuds. आप लोगों को खुशी नहीं हुई? तालियां कब पड़ रही हैं?
आपल्या सरांना निश्चितच स्कूलचे एवढे स्पोर्ट्सचे अचिव्हमेंट बघून खूप आनंद झाला असता. हे आज जे तुम्ही सगळं बघत आहात, जे काही झालं त्यानंतर सुद्धा ही शाळा एवढी मोठी तुमच्याकडे उभी आहे, ते फक्त आणि फक्त त्याचा पूर्ण श्रेय मॅडमलाच जातो. मॅडमसाठी एकदा जोरदार टाळ्या होत. तुमच्या सर्वांचा आदरच आम्हाला पुढे चालण्याची शक्ती देतो. कायम असा सपोर्ट असू द्या. थँक्यू. एन्जॉय द रेस्ट ऑफ द प्रोग्राम. थँक्यू.
मला इथे एक सांगायची खूप इच्छा होती की आपण जे क्रिकेट टुर्नामेंट घेतलं त्याच्यामध्ये जे प्राइजेस स्पॉन्सर झाले त्यासाठी आपल्या टीचर्सनी कॉन्ट्रीब्यूट केलेले आहेत प्रत्येकी 1000 रुपये. तर त्यांचं मी नाव घेऊन सांगते. पांडे सर प्लीज कमी, धीरज सर, अरविंद सर, वंदना मॅडम, सौरभ सर and यशराज देशमुख. प्लीज गिव्ह देम अ बिग हँड. टीचर्स एवढे इन्व्हॉल्व होतात हे बघून खरंच फेवरून जातं. ते लिटरली स्कूल म्हणून आपली फॅमिली समजतात सगळेच टीचर्स. आय एम व्हेरी थँकफुल टू ऑल द टीचर्स. आणि तुम्ही पेरेंट ज्यांनी आपल्या पाल्यांना चान्स दिला एक स्टेजवर यायला, त्यांचं खरंच मी कौतुक करते. आणि तुमच्या सहकार्यामुळेच हा प्रोग्राम सक्सेसफुल होतोय. थँक्यू व्हेरी मच.